Hi guys! Today we're going to talk about this Fyllhammare eller fyllehacka in Swedish, but we have to call it fillax or a pick in English. This one is made from Fiskars. The shaft is made in very strong and durable wood, and the blade is made out of hardened steel. This one is absolutely a fantastic tool when you want to do digging out in a riverside, and if you want to move stones, if you want to scoop up the gravel, whatever you want to do, you want to rip up some roots or do anything, this is absolutely the tool you're going to need. And I've been using these ones for over 20 years and they are practically indestructible. I mean, I've never had a shaft breaking, I never had a blade breaking. And here in the back, this one you can also use as a hammer, so I think that's why they call it pick hammer. And when you want to move stones, just grab it in between and you can really push and pull these stones out. So, if you're interested in the pickaxe, you will have it in the Guldstrom shop, right?